My dear children, previous video I have explained exercise 12.3 question number 9. Now I am going to explain exercise 12.3 question number 10. Question says that the area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square with each vertex of the triangle as center. A circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73205. See the question once more. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square. It is given here, figure it is given here. Area of an equilateral triangle ABC. This one is the equilateral triangle ABC. Equilateral triangle ABC. Its area is given here 17,320.5 centimeter square with each vertex of the triangle as center. Each vertex of the triangle, that is A, B and C are the vertex of the triangle ABC. With each vertex as the center, a circle is drawn. That is, with the A as center, we have drawn a circle here. With the B and C as center also, we have drawn two more circles here. A circle is drawn, radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Radius of these circles is equal to the half the length of the side of this triangle. That means here radius of this circle we have taken half the length of the side AB, and radius of this circle also we have taken half the length of the side AB. So that means this one is the center of the side of triangle ABC, and this one is the center of the side BC, and this one is the center of the side AC. Then what is the question? Find the area of the shaded region. We want to find the area of the shaded region. This one is the area of the shaded region. This area it is shaded here. This area we have to find out. That is the shaded region. We have to find out the area of this shaded region. Now, how can we find out the area of this shaded region? Area of this shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle ABC minus area of these three unshaded region. Now we have studied this region is called a sector of the circle. That is, this one is a circle with the center A, and this portion it is called the sector of the circle. That is area bounded by the two radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of the circle. So this one is the area or region bounded by two radii and the corresponding arc of that circle. So it is called the sector of the circle. So to find out this area, we have to subtract these three sectors, area of these three sectors from the equilateral triangle ABC. So area of the shaded region is equal to, we can write, area of equilateral triangle ABC minus area of these three sectors, area of the three sectors. So area of equilateral triangle, it is given there in the question, that is 17,320.5 centimeter square. So now we have to get the area of these sectors, and here radius of these all the circles same only, because it is given there in the question. Radius of this circle is half this length of the side of this triangle, half the length of the side of that triangle, and here also half the length of the side of the triangle. So its radius of all these three circles are same only, and this radius will be same. So these areas also will be same only, that is area of these three sectors will be same. So we have to get the area of one sector. Area of a sector is equal to, what is the formula? We have studied that area of a sector is equal to pi r square theta divided by 360. Pi r square theta divided by 360. Using this formula, we will get the area of this sector. And that area, what we are getting the answer, that will be same for these two sectors also. All the three sectors area will be same only. So we have to use this formula for finding out the area of that sector, pi r square theta divided by 360. Now, pi is equal to, question value it is given there, that is 3.14. radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? It is not given there in the question. We have to find out that. Then central angle theta. Central angle theta. That is this one is the central angle theta. Central angle theta is equal to what is value? This one is the central angle. Then we know that this ABC is an equilateral triangle. We have studied earlier. Equilateral triangle means it's all sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 360 degree. In an equilateral triangle, all the three angles are equal. That means it will come, each angle will come 60 degree. So each angle is equal to 60 degree. So the central angle of that sector theta is equal to, it will come 60 degree. Now we have to find out the radius. After finding out the radius only, we can find out the area of this sector. So how can we find out the area of the, radius of that circle? So we can find out the radius of the circle first. For that we have to write the given value first. What is given here? Area of equilateral triangle ABC, that much only given here. And so first we have to write that area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to area of equilateral triangle ABC. Area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to 17,320.5 centimeter square. 17,320.5 centimeter square. And area of an equilateral triangle. What is the formula for finding the area of equilateral triangle? Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 a square divided by 4. Root 3 a square divided by 4 is equal to 17,320.5 centimeter square. Area of an equilateral triangle to root 3 a square divided by 4. A, that is the side of the equilateral triangle. All the three sides are equal. It is an equilateral triangle, so all the three sides are equal. So one side is equal to, we can write in general A. So that is side of the equilateral triangle. Now root 3 divided by 4 we will transpose into right side. A square is equal to 17,320.5 centimeter square. Divided by 4, transposing to right side, it will become into 4. Root 3 transposing to right side, it is into root 3, it is in the numerator. So transposing to right side, it will become divided by root 3. Now A square is equal to 17,320.5 centimeter square into 4 divided by root 3 value. It is given there in the question. Root 3 is equal to 1.73205. Root 3 is equal to 1.73205. Then now you see, we have to solve this one to find out the value of A. After getting the value of A, only we can write the radius of the circle. So we have to find out the value of A, that is side of the equilateral triangle. For that we have to solve this one. Now you see, in the denominator, it is a decimal number, 1.73205. It is a decimal number. So we have to remove this decimal number. For removing this decimal number, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by which number? We have to count the decimal point, digits after the decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 10,000. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by 10,000. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. So we have to multiply it by 1 like, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros we have to multiply here, because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there after the decimal point. So we have to multiply 1 like in the numerator and denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 like we have to multiply in the numerator and the denominator. So now you see, A square is equal to 17,320.5 into 1 like. We are going to multiply 17,320.5 into 1 like. So what will come answer? That is 173,205. Then this decimal point, if you are multiplying 10 here, this decimal point will go one place right side. If you are multiplying 1 like means, then again 4 more zeros are there, that we have to put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Then into 4 is there, that we have to write here. Then centimeter square divided by, when we are multiplying here, 1.73205 into 1 lakh, then this decimal point will come here, that is 5 place right side, that is 17,300, sorry, 1,73,000, 1,73,205, 1,73,205. Now we can cancel this one. Here also 1,73,205 is there, 1,73,205. We can cancel this one, divided by 1,73,205. 1,73,205 divided by 1,73,205 is equal to, it will come 1. And how many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. That is 10,000 into 4 centimeter square. That is A square is equal to 10,000 into 4 centimeter square. That will come 40,000 centimeter square. 40,000 centimeter square. Then now square we have to transpose into right side to get the value of A. A is equal to, we know that square, if we are transposing into right side, it will become a square root of 40,000 centimeter square. Square root of 40,000 centimeter square. Square root of 4. What is the value of square root of 4? Therefore, A is equal to, square root of 4 is equal to, we know that 2. Then how many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. When we are finding out the square root, then it will come 2 zeros there. 2 zeros. Or we can factorize this one. We have studied earlier how to find out the square root of a number. Either you factorize it or we can use the long division method. But it is easy. This one is easy method only. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. And here 4 zeros are there. So in the answer it will come 2 zeros only. Square root of centimeter square, it will come centimeter. So A is equal to 200 centimeter. A is equal to 200 centimeter. That means the side of the equilateral triangle is equal to 200 centimeter. So what is the radius of this circle? It is given there in the question. A circle is drawn with a radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Circle is drawn with a radius equal to half the length of the side of this triangle. So therefore radius of the circle, radius of each circle is equal to, radius of each circle we can denote it by the letter R. R is equal to, it will come 100 centimeter. Half the length of the side of that triangle, half the length of the side of the triangle, that is 200 divided by 2, it will come 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Now we can find out the area of one sector. Therefore, then again we can write a center line R is equal to, we got 100 centimeter. Before finding out the area of the sector, we will write the central angle theta is equal to, central angle of that central angle theta is equal to, central angle theta is equal to, it will come 60 degree, because it is an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle, so central angle theta is equal to, it will come 60 degree. Now we can find out area of equilateral triangle, area of sector. Therefore area of sector is equal to, area of one sector we can write, area of one sector is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square theta divided by 360, pi r square theta divided by 360, that is equal to, substitute value there, pi value we have to substitute 3.14, 3.14 into radius is equal to, we got here 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter into R square. R square means it is R into R, radius is multiplying 2 times, so it will come 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into central angle theta. Central angle theta is equal to, it will come 60 degree, 60 degree divided by 360 degree. Then that is equal to, now 60 divided by 360 we can cancel, 0 cancel, 6 divided by 36, 6 are 36, then 100 divided by 2, 100 divided by 2 is equal to, it will come 50, 60 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. Okay, now we cannot cancel that one. Now we will multiply this one, 3.14 into 100, what is the answer? 3.14 into 100, this decimal point will go 2 place right side. What we have done here, that same way only, that is 1.73205 into 1 lakh is equal to, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. So here this decimal point will go 5 place right side. That same way 3.14 into 100, this decimal point will go 2 place right side. That means it will become 314 into 50 is there, 50 divided by 3, centimeter into centimeter, it will come centimeter square, that is equal to. Now we will multiply and divide it by 3, that is 314 into 50. 314 into 50. 4 5s are 4 5s are 20, 0, remainder 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7, 5 3s are 15. I have multiplied only 5. We have to multiply it by 50, so 1 0 we have to put there, that is 15,700. Divided by 3 is there, divided by 3, so divided by 3 it will come. 5 3s are 15, remainder is not there, bring down the next digit, that is 7, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, bring down the next digit 0, 3 3s are 9, remainder 1, bring down the next digit, that is 0, 3 3s are 9, remainder 1, again digit is not there, so we have to put point 0, 3 3s are 9, remainder 1, 0, 3 3s are 9, remainder 1, 0, etc. it will come, that is 5,233.33, 5,233.33 centimeters square. Okay, now that is the area of one sector. Here 3 sectors area we have to get. That is for finding out the area of this shaded region, we have to subtract this. We have to subtract area of these 3 sectors from the area of the triangle ABC. So now we have to find out the area of 3 sectors. Here we find out area of one sector only. Area of one sector is equal to, we got 5,233.33 centimeters square. Therefore, area of 3 sectors is equal to area of 3 sectors is equal to, therefore area of 3 sectors is equal to 3 into area of one sector, that is 3 into area of one sector is equal to, we got 5,233.33 centimeters square. So area of 3 sectors is equal to, area of 3 sectors is equal to 3 into area of one sector, that is, that value we can substitute here, that is 314 into 50 divided by 3 centimeters square. Why I have substituted this value here? This one is the answer, and that we have solved, we got 5,233.33 centimeters square. Here we can cancel this 3 and 3, that is why I have substituted this value here, 3 we can cancel, that is equal to 314 into 50, we have multiplied here, 314 into 5 is 50 is equal to 15,700, it will come 15,700 centimeters square, 15,700 centimeters square. Now we got the area of these 3 sectors. Now we can find out the area of the shaded region. Therefore, area of the shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle ABC, minus area of 3 sectors, that is equal to area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to 17,320.5 centimeters square minus area of 3 sectors is equal to 15,700 centimeters square, 15,700 centimeters square, that is equal to 17,320.5 centimeters square minus 15,700.0, we can write 5 minus 0, 5, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 13 minus 7, that is equal to 6, then 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. So what is the answer? 1,620.5 centimeters square, 1,620.5 centimeters square. So this was only, first we have to find out the area of equilateral triangle given there. We have to find out the side of the equilateral triangle using the formula √3a square by 4. From here you find out the value of A is equal to 200. then radius of each circle is equal to half of the side of the equilateral triangle, that is 100 centimeter. Central angle theta is equal to 60 degree. Then we will find out area of one sector. Area of one sector is equal to pi r square theta divided by 360. That is pi value, remember that it is given there in the question, 3.14 into radius 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, central angle theta 60 degree divided by 360 degree. Then solving this one, we will get 314 into 50 divided by 3 centimeter square, that is 5233.33 centimeter square. Now we got the area of one sector, After that you have to find out the area of three sectors, that is 3 into area of one sector, that is 314 into 50 divided by 3 centimeter square, that we can substitute. It is easy to calculate, that is why I have substituted this value, because here 3 we can cancel. 314 into 50 we have multiplied here, that is 15,700 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle ABC minus area of three sectors. Area of this shaded region is equal to area of this equilateral triangle minus area of these three sectors. Area of equilateral triangle ABC. The answer is given there in the question, that is 17,320.5 centimeter square minus area of three sectors. We got answer here 15,700 centimeter square. Then subtracting that, we will get answer 1,620.5 centimeter square. So my dear children, this question is a little bit lengthy, but please watch it carefully and write down the notes. Thank you so much.